This house sucks. They're terrible, they're awful. I ain't touching this house with a 10-foot pole. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I would be lying if I said every house was a beauty. Some of these things stink. You have to look at every situation. For the right price, every house will sell. We matchmake buyers, sellers, and properties. You have to have the experience, the wherewithal, the knowledge. Go in there, assess the situation, come out with a solution, and make it happen. For a house in Providence, a property with a potential extra lot, you got stairs going to nothing. Not done. How many bedrooms? 2, 3. This is a tough one. Yeesh. This can't be sold like this. This house sucks. Wow, this is literally the wildest thing I ever seen. Wow. This is one for the ages. We've got burn marks everywhere. This is a property where you have to calculate exactly what it's gonna cost based on truly taking it down to the studs. This thing's probably worth all the 500,000. It needs all the 200,000. Or you'd have to buy this for a much lower number than they're looking for. How bad is it inside?
I mean, this room was burnt out. It's mostly boarded up.
So was a fire in here or something?
Yeah.
This thing needs a ton of work. You gotta take all this down to studs. You can't leave any of this. So all this has to come out. This definitely needs 100 plus. You've got to find some sort of beauty in them, and to not fall victim of paralysis analysis, taking lemons and turning it into the sweetest lemonade you've ever drank. At the end of the day, the final beauty in a house that's really that bad is to knock her down and keep it moving.